Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to align object. So as example, I will create box and second you can create a cylinder. I will change for size this. And if you want to move the cylinder into center of this box object by using align, you can select these two objects. Don't forget to press shift button, select multiple object, and then you can click these icons align. So I will select the box to move the cylinder into box. You can click. Then I will move like from the center point. You can click in, or you can move into here by center. Click in here. Okay. And then I will click again at this point to move the cylinder in the center of this. So that's it for basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to use align. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.